Hello everyone, welcome back to the NCU's Admission and Scholarship Online Information session. This part we invite Professor Zhang from the College of Health Science and Technology to give us more information about the college. We also invite one international student, Ni from Vietnam, to share her life in NCU and in Taiwan with us. Then we will leave some time for the Q&A part. If you have any questions, you are very welcome to leave any messages in the chat room. Now, let us welcome Professor Zhang from the college to give us introductions.
Hello, thanks for the introduction. My name is Huiying Zhang. I'm a professor from the Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering. It's very happy to have this opportunity presenting our college to you today. First of all, our college is established in 2014, which is pretty new, or the newest college in National Central University. And it is also an interdisciplinary biomedical research and academic institute in Taiwan. The goal of this college is to promote multidisciplinary academic programs and researches. So it includes from basic biomedicine, translational medicine to bioinformatics, and it also includes biomedical signal analysis and bioengineering and the neuroscience and analysis, the environmental stress and the health. So as you can see from this slide, the research topic in our college is very diverse and variety of options in our college. So we have 2 departments and 4 institutes in our college. It includes one department called the Life Science and the Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering. As in showing in this slide, we also have 4 institutes of Neuroscience and Institute of System Biology and Bioinformatics. We also have Institute of Biomedical Engineering. And if you are also interested in some PhD programs, we also have the Institute of Translational and Interdisciplinary Medicine. So far, our college focuses on the integration of biomedical researches, and we are composed of 41 faculty members, about 240 undergraduate students, and 250 graduate students. First of all, let me introduce you about the Department of Life Science. The goal of the Department of Life Science is to deliver basic and advanced professional knowledge and skills in the fields of biological science and technology. It provides undergraduate, master, and PhD programs. So if you are interested in master studies or PhD studies, you are very welcome to apply our department. Then its research topic includes the environmental and biological science technologies, and also the research topic also includes molecular biomedicine. There's lots of opportunities if you have the chance to apply our department. You may be able to become researchers in the biological science and technology, or you can also go furthermore for the nursing or pharmacist programs. We have lots of collaborators in the Department of Life Science, including Academia Sinica or the National Health Research Institute. And we also have lots of collaborations with the hospitals like Taoyuan Armed Force General Hospital, etc. Okay, so here is the research laboratories in the Department of Life Science, including if you're interested in tRNA or biochemistry and molecular biology researches, we have the laboratories focused on such research. And if you have any interested in evolutionary genetics or signal transduction and physiology, we also have the research like the professors focus on these topics. Or if you are very interesting, like you would like to study furthermore about the cancer biology and the drug discovery, the Department of Life Science also have lots of laboratories for such researches. Today, we have over 140 Taiwan students in our undergraduate students, and we also have about 17 master students from Taiwan or international. And also, we also have the PhD students. We also have the PhD students like 9 from Taiwan and like 23 international students from worldwide. So our second department is the Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering. The goal of this department is to cultivate interdisciplinary talents to promote students to utilize big data in modern biomedical advances from medical data generation to analysis. So you also want to provide the integration of bench-top research, bedside application, and academia-industry cooperations. Okay. So here, this slide shows the number of students that we have in like undergraduate, master, and PhD program. So as you can see here, that we already have around 95 undergraduate students and around 70 master students and around like 20 to 30 PhD students. And they are all from different countries. So in the Institute of System Biology and Bioinformatics, we provide a master and a PhD program. The research topic includes like cancer, strong biology and pathway study, epigenetic regulation through methylation. Also, if you are interested in GMO drug disease network, you are very welcome to apply this program. We also have some spatial study for like herbal medicine development or proteomic metabolomic data analysis. If you are also interested in like biomedical imaging or signal sensors, you are very welcome to apply the master or PhD program in the Institute of Biomedical Engineering. So in this institute and the program, in these programs, you will see that the research focus on the cellular and molecular bioengineering. So if you are interested in gene and protein expression analysis or bioreactor cell engineering, here is the research topic in this program. Or if you are very interested in the medical device and technology assistive, we also have some professors whose research focus on the computer-aided diagnosis and operation guide system. And in the Institute of Translational Interdisciplinary Medicine, we have a special PhD program for those who are interested in computer science applied in a medical device, or if you are also interested in computer-aided medicine, design automation, or if you would like to study about computational physics and machine learning in medical data analysis. Last but not least, we also have the Institute of Cognitive Neuroscience. The goal of this institute is to cultivate promising researchers and boost the research of cognitive neuroscience and brain science. And its goal is also to promote the research results in educational and clinical application. In this institute, unlike the other two departments, we don't have undergraduate students here, but we provide master and PhD programs. So as you can see from this table in this slides, we have several students from Taiwan or international or Asia, and we also currently have 2 international students. The goal of the fields of interest in this institute is to perform conception and language study, visual cognition, memory, action and movement, audition and music, or clinical and computational neuroscience. The methodology we apply include eye tracking or motion captures or EEGs. We collaborate with domestic and international institutes to conduct interdisciplinary neuroscience research on education, crime prevention, linguistics, and physics. So there's lots of options and collaboration in this institute. Here is a summary that the goal of our college is to develop excellent research capacity with interdisciplinary team for scientific discovery. Also, we would like to forge new partnership with healthcare, biotech, and electronic or informatic industry in order to explore new opportunities to healthcare and new opportunities for traditional industries. More importantly, we would like to train young talents in a team-oriented interdisciplinary environment that emphasizes both the basic scientific research and its connection to applied technologies. So we are very welcome you to join us. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Professor Zhang, for the detailed information about the College of Health Science and Technology. Now let us welcome Ni from Vietnam to share her life in Taiwan and at NCU with us.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Phạm Nữ Thu Uyên, and you can call me Ni for short. And I am a Vietnamese girl. Now I am a master student of Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering from College of Health Science and Technology. So I know about NCU, National Central University, from my friend. She is an alumni of our school, and she introduced our school to me, and after that I was interested in our school. Actually, and also my department also. So I decided to apply my scholarship document to the department, and lucky for me, I was accepted by my professor and start my student life in here. I think the biggest problem in Taiwan with an international student is the language problem. But it's also lucky for me when I have a kind professor, also a friendly lab-mate or staff of my department. They help me a lot from document processing, also the live time in here, or the learning machine to do my experiment in here. So I'm very appreciative about this. And because of my professor, because of everyone in Taiwan, everyone in my lab, so I'm not usually have the home missing feeling in here.
Okay.
So
Great.
That's great. Sounds good.
Yes. So that is my sharing.
Experience?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Ni. Now let's get into the QA part. The first question is, are all the programs in the College of Health Science and Technology lecturing in English? If no, please tell us what program can be offered to the international if the students never learned Chinese before.
Well, I would say that in our college, most of our programs provide English in our lectures, and if not, the professor will always provide English slides, and I believe that our professor very welcome students to ask questions even in English, or just ask questions if they have problems understanding the course.
Yeah, according to the students' experience, we also know that since the professors from the college is really helpful to the international students.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, the next question. I noticed that some PhD programs in the college collaborated with the National Health Research Institute. Can you give us a brief introduction about this one?
Okay, yes. I think this is a very good question. Yeah, because in our college, we always want to provide the best practice or the best opportunity for students. So we collaborate with National Health Research Institutes. And the students who join our department can have more opportunity to find faculty or professors in the National Health Research Institutes. And I think more important is the stipend, because the scholarship that for international student, that is a very critical problem. So if join our department and we collaborate with the National Health Research Institute, students may have more support or financial support from us. Yes.
Okay. I also know that the students who join this program,
Yeah.
they can also have more like experimental things with the
Yes.
measures, right?
So students can either choose to join the lab in our department, or they can also have a collaboration with the professors in the National Health Research Institutes. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So they have more opportunities and more chance to explore the more like scientific oriented questions. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. The next question is actually about language proficiency proof. What is the language efficacy English requirement of each program? Is there any minimum score of the IELTS or TOEFL? And the second question is, my language certificate is already expired, but I cannot take exam because of the COVID-19. So can I upload the expired one? The third one be the all the courses in my previous degree are lecture in English. Can I upload a statement later issued by my previous university stating that the medium of instruction is English, or all the courses I took a lecture in English as a language proof?
Well, okay, that's one question after another. Okay, so the first question. Well, according to our study, we have asked this question to our departments, and for the Department of Life Science, I think they have a specific requirement about how the grades for the requirement, the language requirements, student may need to take like 12 IBT above like 64.
64, yeah.
Yeah. For the other departments such as biomedical and science and engineering, or other institute, like we have 4 institutes. For those departments, I think there's no specific or no clear requirements for the English or language requirements. So I would suggest to email us for further details. I think that would be the best choice.
Okay.
Yeah. And for the second question, okay, I understand that the pandemic really caused some of troubles, and I understand that we cannot update the certification is certified. It's pretty a problem. Again, I think my answer is maybe because each department have their own rule or their own decision on such in language requirements. So again, my suggestion will still please email us if you have this situation with expired certificate. Maybe the department will make some decision based on your situation. Yeah. And the last question is, okay, I think in my understanding that this is also trying to prove that the student can understand English. So I'm not sure if this being taught in English can be as a proof as the language certificate. So again, for this very question, I think the general answer for this very question is please email us and describe your situation, and maybe the department will make some decision depending on your situation.
Okay,
yeah.
Thank you. And then must I contact the NCU professor first, or find the professor who is willing to be my advisor before applying for the NCU admission scholarship?
I think there's no ground rule saying, oh, you have to, you must to. But there's still some students may email first. I would suggest that if you already have specific targets, like you already have which research field you are interested in, because as I just introduced, that we have so many research topics, and if you already have specific interest and you know what's your research topics, I think it would be good to talk to the professor first. But I don't think to get the admission, I'm not sure. Sorry.
So the professor means that it's not a must thing to
Yeah.
contact the professor, but it will be suggested, highly recommended to contact the NCU professor if you know your own interest.
Correct. Thank you.
You're welcome. Next question. In average, how long does it take to obtain a master's degree or a PhD degree?
In average, I
It's
think
in average.
2 years for a master's degree and about 4 years for a PhD degree.
Okay, 4 years for a PhD degree, okay? And then how many publications should a student have during the master's program in NCU, and what are the requirements of the publications? Oh,
I think each department has their own requirements. So again, I would say maybe you can check online. We have all the details online, so please go to our website and look into which department you would like to apply, and then the rules should be there. Yeah.
okay. And can you tell us what we can prepare to secure admission and scholarship?
Maybe it would be good to email
To the professor. Okay.
not a professor, I think, but to a university. I think we have the department, like the institute, just to answer these questions. Yeah.
Okay. And then please advise us what we should be written in the research proposal and what is the differences between the study plan and also research proposal.
Okay, so for the research plan, research plan and study plan, for me, I think the research plan is to let the professor know what's your research targets. And the study plans is more like, okay, if you already know what you are interested in, so what course you would plan to take.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's pretty customized to each other, but still there's slightly different. Like the study plan is, okay, what course you would like to take and to enhance your ability in this when studying or doing the research. And the research plan is more focused on, okay, what's your research interest? Yeah.
Okay. And what is the amount of a scholarship I might get as a master or a PhD student?
I think in average, that is for one I know now, is at least 6,000 NT dollars.
For the
I think I think it should be master students, and for PhD, I think 50,000.
50,000.
That is what I remember. But maybe the price may change. Or the scholarship, the amount may change. So again, I still say maybe it would be good to when you are trying to apply, it would be good to email us for further for a very clear answer for all this. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you for staying with us until now. This is the end of the session of College of Health Science and Technology. Next coming up is the information session of the Centers of Space and Remote Sensing Research. Stay tuned for more information about NCU